So, I was doing a run, just a casual run. Don't mind it being drizzle, but it's not even that far in the run. But I have a lot of items, as you can see. A lot of items. Yeah, especially when I can just that. So I'm gonna grab all the items left in this stage from all the enemies I killed. Also, it's fucking insane how fast I kill these things. Is that a legend? No, that's an equipment, I think. Yep. Well, I'm gonna grab what's left. I'm basically supersonic. Oh, I forgot to grab the It's raining outside, by the way. So, after I grab every item... Holy... shit. It's raining hard. Oh, it's almost my birthday. So, my birthday is January 6th. At 1:10 in the morning. It is currently 10. So, in 2 hours, my birthday is gonna go. And I will officially have aged. I'm closer to dying. But let's see. Let's just see what we get from this Shrine of Order. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. I have fucking 55 shaped glass. Look at the ATGs. Look how many fucking topaz brooches I have. Holy shit. Oh no, I'm so slow. Oh, will I even be able to... Movement. Oh, dude. I won't be able to move. I need the fucking wings. I need the wing things. Oh no, I need something that makes me move faster. Fucking this. Oh, red whip. Red whip, red whip, red whip. Dude, that's fucking so annoying. Like, dude. I'm so slow because of all my tonic afflictions. No. I need speed. Dude, that's insane how slow I am. Okay. I just... Oh. Oh no! I died. How did I die? No! Oh. Fuck me. Well, damn it.